Hello guys, tonight is a very special Sunday Night Lime. We will be celebrating the Professor Reggae Gold Award. So now make sure join at 8 p.m. after the uploads.
Any questions? Plead the fifth. I'll get back to you. They have held on to Roxie, and she said she overheard one of the agents speaking to someone that she thinks is Daly.
Is this a secured line, Roxie?
Yes, it is.
Where are you now?
I'm at one of the safe house that Mr. Mullins had links to.
Are they watching you?
I'm not sure, but I'm not taking any chances.
Have you spoken back to Mr. Mullins?
Yes, he told me to come here.
Roxie, what happened? How them get onto you?
I'm afraid to say.
Why? What's wrong?
I'm not sure about my fiancé anymore, Angie.
What? Don't tell me you think he is...
I don't even want to believe it.
Alright. So, what have you seen or heard?
Well, 2 months ago, I woke up in the middle of the night and he wasn't in bed. I heard a rumbling downstairs, and when I checked, it was him.
So when did I do?
He was sitting in my chair, said he couldn't sleep.
Was there anything suspicious about him behavior?
Well, not at the moment, but when he went back upstairs, I noticed that the laptop was plugged in.
Your work laptop?
The agent's laptop.
Oh shit, Roxie.
It wasn't really open or anything, but why would he plug in that laptop when he has his own?
Yeah. Why never use the desktop?
That's the question I've been asking myself.
You did check him out, right?
Yeah, but it wasn't a deep search.
Ah, jeez,
I'm sorry, Agent B. I really wanted this to be real, honestly.
Roxie, I understand. But don't beat up yourself. Remember, before everything else, we are first humans. We all have shortcomings.
But I don't usually leave these things to chance.
But let's not jump the gun yet. We're not even sure if anything have anything to do with this. But do a deep search now, please.
I already did.
So what you find out?
Everything checked out except one.
What's that?
His job.
Him don't work there on record?
Yes, he does, but he told me he's been there for 5 years. But when I did the deep search, it shows his employment started 11 months ago.
11 months ago? Then that around the same time you and him meet?
Exactly. And when the agent came to the house, he was conveniently out of town for work.
Wait, what is his job title again?
Senior manager for a chain of appliance stores.
That is the perfect cover. Hold on, Roxie. That is the perfect cover, you know that. You ever notice anything Anything else was suspicious with him? Like him phone call him?
Well, in hindsight, yes. But he doesn't take a lot of calls around me.
And him no have no idea say you work with the agency.
None, nothing at all. As far as he knows, I run a travel agency.
Okay. So these are the questions I want to ask you now. Is there anything incriminating on that laptop?
Most of what is on it is on my hard drive, but there's one file that could link me to the agency.
That no good?
Well, it's encrypted, but I'm sure they can find a specialist to open it.
How bad is it?
Put it this way, I could be called to court if it gets to that.
Understand. Mr. Mullins say you hear the agents talking to somebody with sound like Daily. True?
Yeah, but I can't be 100% sure. It sounded a lot like him to me.
Have you heard from Milton?
He claims he'll be home first thing in the morning.
So him never drop where my do and come from yesterday?
Nope.
Wow. Alright, Roxie, hear what? Don't change your pattern. Keep the same energy with him and keep a close eye upon him.
But I still have to wait until Mr. Mullins gives me the green light to go back home.
Yeah, man.
You know that, right?
Yeah, man. Don't worry about that. I'm sure he will very soon.
Okay. I feel really bad, Angie.
Don't. The main priority now is to keep you safe and make sure your cover stay intact.
Thank you so much for your support, Angie. You know, you're a gem.
Thanks, Roxie. But remember this, you're one of us. And we protect our own.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I'm sorry all of this happened. But here we are. Stay near your phone and we'll be in touch.
Okay, Angie.
Alright, Roxie, we talk later.
Cool.